Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? Today I will be making banana oatmeal muffins, one topped with chocolate chips and the other topped with granola. Now let's get started. Here I got my tin muffin pan. Of course you will need that. I have my bananas. Now you might look at it like, that look like it's beaten, like that's beaten up, but it's supposed to look beaten up like that. The darker it looks like that, then the more juices that comes out of it, the more sweetness. So you want your banana to look very ripe. I have my oatmeal. Now I really would prefer this one, the instant one, but I only had one pack, so I just use this instead. Now I didn't use this whole bag. I only used probably like half of it, less than half. I got my granola. I got my vanilla. I got my baking powder, my egg, my maple syrup, and also in the bag I have a little bit of I forgot what you call it, seeds. I forgot what you call it, kind of seeds. But they're a little healthy, but just throw a little bit. You don't throw too much in there, but just a little bit, and it's gonna be very good. It's a little bit mixture of healthy and good. And I got my oil to grease the pan. Now here's my banana. Now what you want to do is smash it. You can smash it with the back of a fork or with the potato smasher. Okay, now once you smash the banana in there very well, it looks like mush, girl, like baby food, baby bananas. That's what it looks like. Now I'm adding my one egg in here. As you can see, now once I add the one egg in here, I'm pretty much going to stir that up as well in order to get that incorporated. Now I'm not going to stir it very well because, I got to stir everything once I add everything in here. Now I will be adding about 1 to 2 tablespoons, teaspoons, y'all, of vanilla extract, or it could be 1 or 2 caps. I don't really do measurements with that, but about 1 or 2 caps is up to your liking. Now the sweetness is going to come from the banana as well as this vanilla, and also, as you will see this maple syrup, the sweetness is going to come from that as well. So about 2 caps of that as well. Go ahead and add that in there. So all the sweetness is going to come from that. The banana, feel me? Like I told you, the riper it is, the darker it is, the sweeter it is. I have the vanilla, and I also have the maple syrup that I just added in here. So that's going to be all the sweetness. It's the sweet one. All right, now since I added that, you see this in my hand. That's the seeds I was telling you about, y'all. If you want to, those called hemp seeds. But if you want to, you can add chia seeds, hemp seeds. But they're healthy. But that's why I didn't put too much, because I don't want it to be, too much. Y'all just only put a little bit, so about a handful, and just pretty much stir that inside your mixture as well. Okay, so here is where you add your milk in here. I didn't have milk, y'all, so, I had to improvise. I'm going to be using this. Usually I'll just use the vanilla kind, but we didn't have that. So, yeah, this is what I use. But just use any milk you got, whole milk, carnation milk, half milk, canned milk. You feel me? As long as it's milk, y'all. So, like I told you, this is what I just used. So, that's all I had. So, I'm pretty much going to add about, just add a little bit in there. Shoot, I don't got no measurement. Just add a little bit in there. Okay, so after that, here is where I'm about to add my baking powder. Now, you need your baking powder in order for your muffins to rise. We don't want no flat muffins, y'all. So add your 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So before stirring in the baking powder, I'm going to add my oatmeal. Now, like I told you before, I prefer the instant kind, but since I don't have that, I have the bag. So go ahead. I prefer the plain ones, or either, I think they have banana flavored ones that will be more preferable, but you can pretty much use whatever you want to. And I didn't use the whole bag, yeah. I probably use like less than half of it, just enough. You don't want it to be too much where your mixture is just too dry, or too little bit where your mixture is just too loose. So yeah, once you pretty much add that in there, you got everything incorporated, and you just stir. Churn, baby, churn, 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 baby, churn, churn. Y'all, please excuse my tin pan, y'all. Ain't no shit in my game. Now here's what I'm about to grease the tin pan. Now just put a little olive oil. You don't have to put it in each one. So I'm gonna pretty much dip my hand in there and stir it around the whole pan. So I just put two capfuls. Now the oil from one of them, I just used it to rub around another one. So pretty much do all of that. So once I grease the pan, I'm gonna pretty much pour my mixture in, with the bananas, with the oatmeal, with pretty much everything. And then I'll show y'all what I'm gonna do with the dark chocolate chips. Those are actually dark chocolate chips. But if you prefer the regular chocolate chips, it doesn't matter. Just, just pour it on in there, put it on in there. So yeah, I'm just pouring my batter in there little by little because I don't want it to drop, all on the counter so you got to be very careful. If you have to spoon it in there with a spoon, go right ahead, but just be very careful putting the mixture in there. And like I said, I'm going to use the dark chocolate chips and also the granola. So you will see what I'm going to do with that in a minute. Okay, now everything gets poured into the tin metal pan. Now I'm about to add my chocolate chips. Now half of them is gonna be the chocolate chips, and then the other half is gonna be topped off with the granolas. I didn't have enough chocolate chips, y'all. So yeah, you will see on this last one. I probably got what, three? So I'm filling the mixture halfway up, and then I'm topping it off with my granola bars, and then I'm adding a little bit more of the mixture to the top. Now you can probably tell I didn't have enough of the mixture in my bowl, so yeah, I'm gonna be taking a little bit out so it can be enough out of one tray into the next, as you can see right here. Yeah, I didn't have enough, so yeah, ain't no shame in my game, y'all. Now, in order to get the muffins out easily, go ahead and make sure you get like a butter knife or some type of knife or something in order to go around the edges so it can come up easily. Okay, so now I don't pretty much went around the edges with the knife. So now I'm going to get my spoon and pretty much try to lift the muffin up. Now it didn't lift up perfectly because there was still some, left at the bottom. That's why I say you gotta grease really good. But most of it did come up and it still was good. Now, okay, so now that I took all the muffins out, I pretty much put it on a plate, and here is how it look, y'all. Yay, me. These are your muffins, your granola muffins, as well as your chocolate chip. Now, first, I'm going to pretty much try the granola muffin. Now, it was good, y'all. Don't get me wrong, it was good. But that chocolate chip one, man, you did your thing, girl. You did your thing, girl. You see me put the thumbs up. Now I'm about to try this. I'm about to go inside this chocolate chip one. And when I say it was good, y'all, like it was good. I ain't lying. Y'all better go try this recipe. Make sure you try it. Make sure you try it. And yeah, and as far as the hemp seeds I put in there, you can't even tell it's in there. It's like I said, it's healthy, but you still can't tell because I didn't overdo it, y'all. I didn't overdo it. And as you can tell, I'm trying to put up two thumbs, y'all. Two thumbs. We're happy, we happy, and we sing it and we color. Do. Give me your high five. No. Yeah, but yeah, y'all make sure y'all go try this recipe, y'all. Don't play, y'all. All right, that's pretty much all I had to say. Make sure you like, make sure you share, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel. Y'all have a blessed day.